In this video, I'll show you how you can make money with the Temu affiliate program. Simply search for Temu affiliate and head over to the affiliate program. Once you're in here and you log into your account, you'll have a link, as you can see right here. And these links, if someone clicks on them and signs up, you will earn money. Now, if you head over to invite affiliate, you'll see here that if I invite someone using my link, so copy link, and I'll have this link. If someone clicks on this link and they join, I will then get money. So I can earn up to 37 euros for this invite, and I'll also receive a 20% commission from my invited affiliates earnings for the next 60 days. So this is basically how it works. You just want to go to the affiliate program, get your affiliate link, copy the link. You don't have to copy all the text, you can just copy link. And then you have to make people sign up using that link. So that is basically how it works, guys. You'll have some other bundles down here that you can use the link. So just share, copy link. Instead of copying the whole, you can just do the link. And when people sign up, you will then receive your money. Now keep in mind, there are some rules for this. And for some of the rules, it will be like they must not have signed up to Temu before. Even if they had it before and uninstalled it, it still will not count. So just keep that in mind. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.